Okay, fine. So am I audible? Voice is clear? Yeah, am I audible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So board is visible.
Yes, sir.
So let's revise what has happened in the last class. So let me explain. So in the last class, I think we went through with your last topic of your first module, that is your Quinn-McCluskey method, right? So I told what is the importance of Quinn-McCluskey method, why we want, what is the purpose of going for Quinn-McCluskey? I want answer from your side. For
There's
what
more
purpose
than
went
5
for
variables.
Quinn-McCluskey? Yeah.
There is more than 5 variables.
If you have
Yeah,
variables.
maybe 5 variable till 5 variable we can manage using your K-map only. But whenever, if it goes beyond 6, 7, 8, so we need something else apart from K-map. So we went for this Quinn-McCluskey. Okay. So then I think I told clearly. So QM method. So Quinn-McCluskey, name of a scientist, and other name for this Quinn-McCluskey was tabular method. Right. So then I took an example to explain this. I told you have 5 to 6 steps to be followed. So I think in the last class we finished till step 2. So we'll try to continue. So before that, so we'll just repeat the things. What was happened in the last class? So what was the question given? That question binary number we have written in a truth table. See, the question was given 0, 1, 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 15. For that corresponding truth table is given, and we have to write this truth table. Okay. So once you write the truth table, then comes the steps. So step 1, what's the thing I told? You need to make the number of ones in smaller to bigger range, right? So number of ones from, for example, I can send ascending order. So from zeros, there is no ones. So let me start this all zeros as group 1 and designate with the minterm called M0. Then I wrote number of single ones in a table. So number of single ones, if you look at here, so binary 1 and binary 9 are having a single ones. That's why M1, M8 belongs to second group. Then same way 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, so on. So from this we have found the 4 groups are there. Then how to get this group number, or step number 2 I told, make a column called group. You can write here minterm or matched pair, both are same. See, few textbook they written minterm here, that is also fine. And few terms they written matched pair, that is also fine. Both are possible. If you want to just add there, either you can write this or you can write like minterm. So both possibilities are there. So you can perform with both. Okay. So then a binary representation, same way. Then what I told, you need to compare. You need to compare the number of groups on what basis? N to N plus 1 logic. So this is a group. For example, if you take group 0, I need to compare this group 0 with N plus 1 means 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So compare 0 with 1. So M0 compare with M1. Then I need to fill a next. How to fill I told? Check out this too. I will write here. So 0, 0, 0, 0 is what M0, and M1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. So what I told, whenever you have same categories, you can retain the things as it is, and there should be only one change like this. There should not be in between. If you have more than one change, you can't do that as an elimination. So if you find 0, 1, I will eliminate that with a dash, right? So that is what you wrote 0, 0, dash here. Same way, I asked you to fill this table. Any doubts, anyone till here?
So not able to see the board, sir.
Yeah, one set. No, bold not shown. I will just show you back. Now is it visible? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So what I told, the last class, we went through with the question of Quinn-McCluskey. So then, truth table we have written from that. Step 1 says, make the number of ones depending upon ascending order, means zeros, 1, 2, 3, so on. So based on that, we made a group here. Then what I told, I need to make the second step. The second step combination is what? I need to eliminate the expression as much as possible, like your K-map and Boolean expression, right? So for that, I told compare with n to n plus 1. So n to n plus 1 means group 0, for example, nth group to n plus 1 group I should compare. So in this example, if I take n is equal to 0, I need to compare 0 with 0 plus 1 means first group. So m0 compared with m1. So I written here 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. For your reference, just try to write aside till understand the things. Otherwise, you can directly compare here, you can do. So don't make mistakes while doing comparison. Okay. So what I told, same thing, retain it. If there is only one change, not more than one. If there is only one change, I can eliminate that with a dash. Okay. So that is how we fill this m0 m1 from step 2. Then similarly m0 to m8, you compare. If you look at here, 0, 1 is the only change. That's why I put dash here, and remaining 3 are 0, 0. So like this, I will complete this table, everyone. What was happened in the last class? Everyone done this till here, these steps? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's proceed now. So I think till M8 to M9 is what we have compared in the last class. So I hope the screen is visible clearly. Any blurriness is there?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So now what I should do, I have compared group 1 with group 2. So I got till this. So same way, let me proceed. Compare this 2. So this with this. So compare M3 and M7 now. So compare M3 and M7. For your reference, I will just mention here. So I am continuing where we have stopped in the last class. So till comparison of group 1 to group 2 was done. So now let me proceed group 2 to group 3. So I am comparing 3 and 7. 3 equivalent is 0, 0, 1, 1. And 7 equivalent is 0, 1, 1. So what I wrote, is it visible here? What I wrote, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir.
So now look at this 0, 0. Let me retain. So 0, 1
Dash.
change is there. So what you should do? Put dash and remaining
1, 1.
as it is. So group 2, I am comparing M3 with M7. So I got answer as 0 dash 1, 1. So any doubts, anyone till here? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Proceed now. Similarly, compare M3 with M11. M3 with M11. So M3, same thing. And M11 is 1011. What's the answer?
Dash 0, 1, 1.
Dash 0, 1, 1.
So only changes is happening at the first level, right? So M3 with M11, the change is here 0 to 1, remaining all same. So I will write here M3, M11 dash 0, 1, 1. Correct? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So likewise,
Yes, sir.
finish off. So compare 9 with 7 and 9 with 11 and tell me what is the answer.
Sir, 9 more than 1 change.
More than 1. You can look at here.
More than 1.
Here same is there, agree. Here also same is there, agree. What about this? So I am comparing, sorry, 7 and 9.
1, sir.
So this 2 and this 2, you can see changes here itself. So you need to go with that comparison. So go with next. Go with next.
9.
M9 to
9,
M11. Possibilities are there.
Yes, sir. 1, 0 dash 1.
So only change is happening here, correct? See, if you get confused here, that's why I told you to write the things aside. So M9 is 1, 0, 0, 1 and M11 is 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is same. This is the only change. So make it as dash and written. So I can write here M9 to M11. So fill with 1, 0 dash 1. Am I clear, everyone till here? So we finished
Sure.
comparison of group 2 and group 3. Anything left out there to compare? So everything is finished, right? What is next last? Compare
M7 to
M7, M15.
group 3 with group 4. So M7, M15. Possibilities are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or no? So let me write upward so that it will be visible for you. I will write here. I will erase this part. So we'll make this as step 3 next. So we'll write here. So what is the thing left out now? The last one you can check out here. So group 3. Okay. So I'm comparing. I want you to tell the answer because I erased here. So compare your M. What? So tell me what is the answer. So will you get M7, M15 option? What is the answer you get? M7 and 15?
Dash.
Dash followed by
111.
triple one. Good. Then
1 dash double 1.
11 to
M11
M15.
with M15. Step answer.
1 dash.
1 dash 1 1.
1 dash double 1.
Any doubts anyone till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So you got the logic till here. So we finished step 2. Any doubts anyone till here?
No,
Is it done?
sir.
Is it fine? Okay. So let me proceed same way. See, same way. See, if you look at the first table, means step number 2, there was 4 groups. Now 4 groups came to 3 groups. Agree? So we have reduced 1 group. So same way you need to keep repeating the steps as much as possibilities you get till that further can't be done. You need to keep repeating a step. That is what step number 3. So retain the things. Okay. So anyhow it's there here only. Whatever things are written, is it visible here clearly? This part? Is it visible? Yeah, step number 2 on the board. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, good.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me go with now. So this is your step 2. So now I need to compare this 2 group now. So now observe carefully. So group 0. So let me check out the possibilities of M0, M1 with M1, M3. Okay. Compare 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 dash is there, dash 1 is there. So is it possible to consider that? So I told you should have only one change. Is it possible?
No,
Check
sir.
out here. No, right? So I can put cross mark for reference. That is not possible. Artha agtidiya? Now check out M0, M1 with M1, M9. Compare this two. Is it possible? Is it possible? See, that's why I told write one side. So 0, 0, 0 dash is what this? I should compare with this M1, M9 means dash 0, 0, 1. Is it possible? Is it possible to consider?
No, sir.
So since 2 genus are there, this also gone. So I can't take M0, M1 with any of 2. So we boycott that, right? Coming to next, M0, M8. Compare now. Is it possible? Check out here only. M0, M8 with M1, M3. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, right? See here. Here one change, here one change. So this is also gone. Arthakya Pellargiga.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you need to solve. So understand carefully. Next problem I want you to solve. Next, compare M0, M8 with M1, M9. Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
So dash 0, 0, 0. And next is dash 0, 0, 1. Is this possible now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because dash dash, so I can retain dash as it is. Next 0, 0 as it is. You can look at here. There is one change, so I can make dash here. How many are doubts still here? How many are doubts still here? So I can clearly tell M0, M8, M1, M9. So this possibility is done. Everyone? Am I clear till here? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like this. Can you tell me any other combinations will match with group 1 and group 0? Check out and tell me any other possibilities are there. That's all. See, I think we left out this also. We need to compare this also, right?
M0, M,
M8, M9 also
M0,
there.
M.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yedappa. Which one?
M0, M1, and M8, M9.
M0,
M1.
M8.
M9.
Which one? Telling this one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the first and the last. Correct?
Yes, sir.
The first and the last. That is possible. So I can write, actually this will come before, or you can make a note. M0, M1, M8, M9. Agree everyone? So you can look at here, M0 is 000 dash. I will write here. 000 dash is your M0 and M8, M9 is 100 dash. So is it possible now? So this is the only one change. I can write dash 00 dash. So I can fill this also. Understood everyone? So any other possibilities are there? Everything is done?
Yes, sir.
So we finished group 1 and group 0 done. Next same way, compare group 1 with group 2 now. Compare group 1 with group 2. So compare M1, M3 with M3, M7. And tell me what is the answer for group 1 next. I want you to tell the answers now. Just compare like this what I did. Just compare the things and check out which is going to match. Yeah? Compare, yeah?
M1, M9, M3, M11.
Repeat one. M1,
1,
M9,
M9, M3, M11.
M3, M11. Okay. So this is what your friend told, right? So just check out. So M1, M9 is here and M3, M11 is here. So your friend is telling this too. So compare this with this. Is it matching? So dash 001 followed by dash 011. Correct? So we have only one change here, right? So I can write dash 0 dash 1. Good. So dash 0 dash 1. Done. Next. Check out the possibilities next. Next possibilities here. Is it visible what is written on the board? Everyone? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next option. Next option. That's all. Check out the possibilities here. It's on the board. Verify ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? So you want me to ask individually now? Yeah, Rajesh, 1 or 2? After comparing 1 and 2, is it only the one option you have? Do you have one more option? Rajesh, is it audible?
Sir.
Yeah, can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
any other option is there?
No, sir.
That's all? Only one option?
Yes, sir.
Others? Just check out.
M1, M3, M9, M11.
Good. Repeat.
M1,
M3,
M9,
M9,
M11.
M11. So check out. So your friend told M1, M3. So I'll write here. It says 0, 0, dash 1. Good. Then followed by M9, M11 is here. So 1, 0, dash 1. Is it possible or not? So you have only one change here, right? So you can make dash 0, dash 1. Very good. So dash 0 dash 1 is a next answer. See, we don't tell the answer blindly. Just compare things first, then tell me. Yeah, next. Next.
Sir, I can't be able to see in board, sir.
Is it not visible? What I am showing, is it not visible?
No, sir.
Eldaru can't
No,
see that?
sir.
Is this visible?
No, sir.
Yeah, others check out. Board is not visible, your friend is telling.
No, sir.
Till where the board is visible here?
Visible, sir.
Just check out here.
Now it's visible, sir.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Till where? You can see the group 1. What I wrote? Dash 0, dash 1, dash 0, dash 1. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So we are finished with the group 1 and group 2. So now you compare group 2 and group 3 and tell me the possibilities. Group 2 and group 3. See, those who not understood how to solve, you just tell me. If you want, I'll repeat once more how I wrote step number 3. Anybody want me to repeat step number 3? See, if you understand one problem, you can solve n number. Yeah? Anybody?
M3, M7, M11, M15.
Okay, you're telling answer. Fine, good. M3,
M7, M11, M15.
M7.
M11, M15.
Is it visible there? What I'm writing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So what is the answer? So M.
Dash dash 1 1.
So M. This is 0. I'll write here 0 dash 1 1. Then 11 15. So 1 dash 1 1. So this is what your friend told. So this is only one change you can see. So dash dash 1 1 is the answer. Am I correct?
Yes,
Dash
sir.
dash 1 1. Can't see the paper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Then any other possibilities?
M3, M11,
M3, M11,
M7,
M7,
M15.
Repeat.
M3, M11,
M7.
So dash 0 1 1 with
M7,
M7 M15 na?
Yes.
Is it this one? So what you told is M3 M11 na? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
M7 with M7 M15. Correct? Ah? Is it correct?
yes, sir.
So what is the thing? This is what you will get, right? Dash, this is a change, dash 1 1. So dash dash 1 1. So any doubts, anyone till here? So just check out any other possibilities are left out now.
No, sir.
So that is it. So that is the maximum possibility what we can get in step number 3. So any doubts, anyone from step 1 to step 3? If you have, tell me. I will repeat the things. Otherwise, we will proceed. See, whichever group is matching, if you want, you can do tick mark here. You can do tick mark like this. So earlier steps I'm telling. So whichever, for your reference, whichever group matches here, you can do tick mark like this for your reference, so that you will come to know that it has matched or not. Okay. So now we'll check out step number 4. So just check out now from group 4. We reduce it to 3. Now we are in 2. You can look at only we have 2. Right. Now check out any possibilities are there from this 2 and tell me to write step number 4. Any possibilities are there? Compare 0 with 1. Is it matching? Dash dash 0. Again 0 dash 1 dash. No. So it is not matching. Just check out here only. Compare this to 2 changes. So gone. Again compare this with this. Dash dash 0, 0 dash 1 dash. Again 2 changes. Not possible. Artha agtidendro? Am I fine till here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now first eliminate aito. Next similarly check out this 2. Check out this 2. Dash dash 0 0. Again you have 2 changes. That is also not possible. Then again this with this, dash dash, 0 0. Again these two chains will come. So this possibility also not there. So 0 to 1, there is no change. So we can stop analyzing that. Same way you check out 1 and 2. Let's cross check once. Nothing wrong in that. Dash dash, here we got change. So not possible. See, if you prove one, automatically other is not, because two variables are same only, right? You can look at here. Two are same only. So these two are same, right? Same way these two are same. These two are same. If I say one is not matching with other, so it's understood. No need to worry about other. So we think that this is the end. So there is no further division possible. This is the end. Any doubts? Anyone till here?
No, sir.
Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now listen. Now listen. See, this is what your step number 3, step number 4, so on. If you're getting matching, keep writing new steps. If it is not possible, you can stop here. Okay. Now listen carefully. What you are supposed to do after this. Okay. You need to write a prime implicants now. Then you need to check out with the K-map what answer we got. Is it same or not? Okay. That will teach you now. Listen. If you look at these two, can you tell me what is the expression for this? What is the expression for this group? What is this 0 0 indicates what? Is it B bar, C bar?
Yes, sir.
Agree? So is it B bar, C bar? So both are same, no? If you write one, it is enough. Similarly, these two?
B bar D,
Good. And last one?
C D.
Okay. So you're going to get expression B bar, C bar plus B bar D plus CD. Understood the logic now? What answer you used to get using Boolean? What answer you used to get K-map? Same answer you're going to get, but it is applicable for more than 5 variables. So I taught you how to analyze 4 variables now. Same concept will repeat. So is it fine till here, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now what you should do, you need to write next step, step number 4. I will just write here. So we'll verify. So before writing the verification, there is one more step you need to follow. That is step number 4. So this step number 4 depends upon your table. If you have further simplification, that will come here. Otherwise, I can go with the next step. Write down the heading as prime implicant table. So prime implicant table. I hope in the last class we discussed about prime implicant, essential prime implicant and all. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So prime implicant means what here?
Largest
What is the meaning
possible.
of prime implicant?
Largest
Large number
possible.
of ones in a group, correct? Large number of ones in a group, right? So now look at here. To build this table, what all things you should write, I will just write here. So first column, you need to make it as prime implicant. First column, prime implicant. Okay. So what is the answer you got from this? I will write here. So what is the answer you got from previous step? I should replicate here. So B bar, C bar, B bar, D, then CD. So this is what the answer you got, right? So this is your first column. Second thing, you need to write min term. So second column, you need to write min terms. Okay. So what are the min terms you got for this corresponding? Can you tell me? You can see the numbers here, right? 0. You can make in order. It's same, no? 0, 8, 1, 9, nothing but 0, 1,
8, 9.
8, 9. So this is your min term. Hey, Arthak Chandra, what I'm writing here? Everyone? I'm just making
sir.
a last table from which we need to check out the answer is right or wrong. So prime implicant table, prime implicant is the first column. Whatever answer you got, right here. We are checking any other possibilities are there to reduce this. Okay, that is what we are doing now. So I wrote this min term from this. Similarly here,
1, 3, 9, 11.
3, 9, 11. I'm just writing in order, that's all. Next,
3, 7.
this one, 3, 7, 11, 15. What I have written here, is it visible here? Is this visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. So after making first two, next what you need to fill here is the minterm question what was given in the number, that number should be written here. So what was the question numbers they told in minterm? 0, then
2, 4.
1,
Sorry. 1,
Yeah.
3, 4.
7, 8, 9.
yeah, 1 and 3 idea.
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
7, 8, 9, 11,
8,
9, 11, 15.
9, 11, 15. So this is what the things we have written in the question. So is it visible what is written on the board? The last part, everyone? Is it visible? Is it visible
Yes,
here?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now listen. Now listen. You just, after writing this table, you just need to mark. So just need to mark where are the things you got. So in the first B bar, C bar, you got 0, 1, 8, 9, right? So that corresponding 0, put cross mark. Corresponding 1, put cross mark. Corresponding 8, put cross mark. And corresponding 9, cross mark. Am I clear with this step? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Whichever things you got minterm. So from the question what we have got, just do cross mark here. Why you should do, I will tell you. Is it done till here?
Yes, sir.
What is next? 1, 3, 9, 11. So 1 is here, 3 is here, 9 is here, 11 is here. Am I clear? Similarly, last one, 3 is here, 7 is there, 11 is there, 15 is there. So have we got how I filled this table, everyone? Any doubts, anyone filling up this table? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, is it fine? Anybody want me to repeat once more, or is it fine? I just mark the minterm what was there in this table with a cross mark. Okay. After this, what I should do, listen, you need to encircle the cross mark which is having only one in a column. I'll repeat. You need to cross mark the X mark, what I mentioned here, which is having only one in a column. For example, look at here, 0th column. How many X you have? How many cross mark? You have only one, right?
Yes, sir.
That should be circled. That should be circled. So likewise, you just check out in which column you have only one.
8, 15.
I'll just write the table now. So I hope now it is clear. Let me complete the table. So you need to write a table like this, so that it will be helpful for you. You should not make any mistakes. Amala.
8, 15.
So yeah, 7 also.
7, 8,
Yes, sir.
15.
7.
7 is there.
7, 8.
8 is there. Amala. 15. So you only 4. Correct, Indra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what you should do, you need to mark the cross mark. Look at here, row wise, this and this as one equation. Okay. Similarly, you have this with this as one cross mark. You got how to make the cross mark now? After plotting the single column, you just circle that with that. Okay. Similarly here. So it means what? This B bar D is not a prime implicant. It is like a essential prime implicant. So it means I need only B bar, C bar and D. So I can conclude the expression for this question is B bar, C bar plus CD. Am I clear to everyone? Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you need to solve the problem for Quinn-McCluskey method. So you can verify this using K-map. I will show you that I will do. Before that, any doubts, anyone till here?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts, anyone till the last step what we wrote? Cross marking, circling and writing the final equation. Any doubts, anyone till there?
No, sir.
Shall we proceed for the verification now? Okay, so you can do verification now. So what you have solved, see, since it is a 4 variable, I can use K-map for verification. Okay, right? So let me write 16 cells. Is it visible? Yeah. Is it visible? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Yeah. Can you tell me where I should fill ones now? Where I should fill ones?
0, 1,
What is the question? 0,
1,
then 1,
3,
then 3, then 7,
7,
then
8,
8, 9 is also there,
9,
11 is also there,
11.
15 is also there. So this is what the question says. Whatever the question was there, earlier used to solve earlier same method. From the given question, put the number of ones. So now tell me how many octa will come. Any octa is there? Anywhere octa will come.
No,
So you have only quad. So can you take
Yes,
this
sir.
quad now?
yes, sir.
Everyone agree? So what is the expression for that quad? What is the expression for this? So this is your A, B, C, D. So is it C, D? Is it equal to C, D? Everyone, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about next quad? Where is the next quad? Can you take this 8, 9,
0, 1
0,
is
1 as a
fine.
quad?
0, 1.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what is this answer now? So this is 0, 0, this is 1, 0. So common term from here to here. So from this I can take B bar common. Correct? And from this I can take C bar common. Agree? Everyone got here what I wrote? Is it fine? Am I audible? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the prime implicants, right? So do you want one more? All possibilities are covered, right? So then tell me how we got this B bar D expression as essential prime implicant. Can I take this option, this 4 and this 4 as essential prime implicant? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Just look at the
Yes, sir.
expression. So from this to B bar, from this to it's D. So that is how we got the expression as B bar D. Artha aita.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But that is
sir.
not a prime implicant. That is called as essential prime
Essential.
implicant. That is needless, right? So you already grouped this 4 and this 4. So there is no option to do other grouping. So why you want to do again this grouping? So if you do such kind of things, that becomes essential prime implicant. That is what the extra answer you got here. Hence we have eliminated. Just check out. So what answer you got from K-map? What answer you proved? Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
So hence it is verified. So this is what you can perform. See, verification you can do for 4 variables and 5 variables Quinn-McCluskey. Not more than that. So now any doubts, anyone till you. So if you understood this problem, so next I want you to solve by yourself. Am I clear with these steps to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So is it fine now? So if you solve one problem, you will get all doubts that we can clear it out and we can end today's session. Am I fine? Am I?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Aitappa barkonidellарದು? Is it done till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now run the question. I want you to solve by yourself now. So if you solve this one problem, you will understand the things in a better way. Run the question. So shall I erase this? So you got the each steps how you should follow. So these steps you just mention in a step by step. That will become your explanation or steps for your Quinn-McCluskey. If they ask for 5 marks, steps means the same step. Truth table, then grouping, minterms, then comparing second step, third step, fourth step will repeat if it is possible, or else directly to prime implicant table and get the answer. So same way how we did in a Boolean and K-map, they after getting the final expression, they may ask you to write a logic diagram also. Okay, so you can plot B bar, C bar plus CD in logic diagram also. Am I fine till here?
Sir.
Okay, good. So go for the problem now. So question is given. So I hope everyone written till here. So now you should solve this. Hold on. Simplify the following. Simplify the following by using Quinn-McCluskey method. By using Quinn-McCluskey method. So they are given A, B, C, D. So 4 variables. So the numbers are given. What are the numbers? So midterm 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. 12, 13. I will repeat the question. 0 is there. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. Yeah, the time starts now. So do the things from the beginning, what I wrote and how I wrote. Follow each steps. Follow each steps clearly. So let me erase everything now. So I want you to solve now. Solve. So step 1 is making of tabular column. So make a tabular column for the given question, everyone. So make a tabular column. So what is the equivalent of 0? So since it is a 4 variable, you can write 0 there. Okay. Next. So likewise you fill the table after writing 0 equivalent. Next for 1, not 1 is not there, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. 3. So this is your step 1. So this is step 1 what I am writing here. So 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, then 6. So likewise write 7, 8, 10, 12, 13 equivalent binary and start doing the problem. So if anybody have doubt how to proceed, you can ask me. Fill the table. 7, 6, then 8, 10, 12, 13. So this is what they given. So what is the equivalent of 6 binary? 0, 1, 1, 0, 7, 0, 1, 1,
0,
1, 0, 0. 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0. What about 12 now?
1, 0, 1, 0.
No, 10 is over. 12.
1 0 0
1.
1
Let's
1
do.
0 0
Repeat 12. 1, 1.
0 0
Yeah. So 1, 1, 0, 0. 13 is
1 1 0 1
1, 1, 0, 1.
good. So proceed from now. So step 1 is done. Step 2, you need to make a group. So understand and write, don't write blindly. So step 2, so you need to make a group, then followed by minterm, followed by binary representation. So inputs are A, B, C and D. Okay. So now group 0. Yeah. So minterms is M0. Solve 4 zeros. Done. Next group 1. Can anyone tell me how many ones you have? Single ones.
2,
Check out table. How many
M2
single ones
and
you have?
M2, M8.
Good. So M2 and M8. So write M2 and M8 as group 1. So 0, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0. Is it visible here what I wrote on the board?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, number of 2s in a group.
M3, M6,
So 2,
M10,
M,
M12.
M3, M6,
M6,
M10,
M10, M12.
So fill that now. So similarly, group 3, number of 3 ones. I think more than 3, there is no 4 ones here. So you can conclude there are 4 groups, 0, 1, 2, 3. Bardra Ellara?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceed from there. So you make a table, it will be better. So don't get confused. You divide it, so it will be better for you. Now you can do the comparison I told. After comparing, wherever it's matching, put a tick mark. Put a tick mark for your analysis so that it is verified. Yeah, finish up this. So it's a 10 to 12 marks question I told you earlier. So you can easily score the marks. So till this topic, maybe next week, any day I will take a surprise test. Is it clear? So complete first module till what was happened today's class. Okay. So till here we can proceed. We have one more topic, same thing with don't care condition. So after that, we can go for next module. But before that, you will be having a test. Is it done? Step 2. So you have 2 number of ones, 3. So it is a 0, 0, 1, 1. Then you have 6, M6, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you have 10, M10, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then you have 12 also. So M12, so it's 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is your group 2. So if I write till this end, is it visible here? If I write till this end, is it visible? Everyone, you're solving. Then M3, number of 3 ones. So I think you have 7 and 13. So you can mention that also. Group 3, group 7 and 13. So fill with this 0, 1, 1 and 13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. So everyone done till here? So step 2 aata bazar do. Now write step 3. So compare 0 with 1. So compare 0 with 1. So what's the answer? I'll just write the answer here. Group 0, M0 and M2. So compare these two. What is the answer here? What is the first answer?
0, 0, dash 0.
0, 0, dash
0,
0.
0, dash 0. Everyone got the logic now? How to solve? Okay, please proceed. So compare 0 and 8. Compare M0, M8. So possibilities are there. This is only one change, right? So I can write dash 0, 0. Correct? Is it fine? So M0 with done. So next compare group 1 with group 2. So group 1 with group 2, that is your second one. So M2, M3, any possibilities are there? M2 and M3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So you can write that option M2, M3, 0, 0, 1 and single dash. Correct? Next, M2, M6 possibilities are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so M2, M6 also, M2, M6, so it says 0, dash, 1 0. Correct? Next, M2 with M10, is it possible?
Yes,
M2 with M10, this is also possible, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So M2 with M10. So check out the answer. It's dash followed by 0
1 0.
0 1 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, proceed now. So all then M1, M2 with M12, is it possible? M2 with M12 is possible? No, right?
No, sir.
So you have 0 1 0 1 twice. So you can't do. That's why it is eliminated. See, that's why I told after comparison M2 with M3 tick mark, M2 with M6 tick mark, M2 with M10 tick mark, then 12 you can do cross mark. See, if you do like this, you will get an idea that what things are compared, it will be easy for you. So you won't commit a mistake. Okay. So if you don't get how to compare here, write separately like I told, and you can get the answer. So group 1 is done. Next. So not less, still it is there. M8 is also there, right? Now compare M8 with M3. Is it possible? No,
No,
right?
sir. No,
So
sir.
here change, not possible. So M8 M3 is not possible. Next. M8 M6 possible?
No, sir.
No. So 1 0 1 0 gone there only. Next. M8 M10 is possible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
M8 M10 is possible. So 0 0, sorry, 0 1 is change. 1 1 is 1 only. Then 0 0 0 1 change is there. So 0 dash 0. Correct? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next. M8 with M12 possible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So M8 with M12, it's possible. Look at here. So 1 1 as it is. 0 1 is the only change. I can put dash. Then 0 0 0 0 as it is. So this is completes your group 1. Any doubts? Anyone with this? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good. So
sir.
like this, finish off group 2 with group 3 now.
M3 M7.
What do you have in group 2? M3 M7, is it possible? M3 M7 possible?
Yes, sir.
You can look at here. 0 0 0 1 is the only change. So after 0 dash 1 1.
1 1.
Yeah. Next.
M6 M7.
So M3 M13 possible, Papa?
No, sir. No,
Okay, so gone. Next M6 with?
M7.
Okay, good.
7.
So M6 with M7. Yeah. 0 1 1 dash. So is it 0 1 1 dash?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next. Check out M6
M12,
with M13.
M12 M13, sir.
10 is also not possible.
No, sir. No, sir.
So straight away we can go with M12 with?
M13. M13.
Good. So M12 M13.
1 1
dash.
0 dash.
Dash
0
1,
0 dash.
0 1 dash. Yeah, this 2. So this 2 is what it is. That's all.
Yes, sir.
All possibilities are over.
Yes, sir.
So what I told, wherever the possibilities are there, do the tick mark. So we finish step number 3. So now from this step, can you plot the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I hope everyone understood the way to solve the problem now. Okay, now. So likewise, you finish off the next step and tell me the possibilities. Okay. So step 4. Step 4, I will directly write the answer. Yeah, group 0. Check out the possibilities. So M0
Sir, M0,
M2,
M2,
M30 is not possible, right? Next.
M0, M2, M8, M10.
M8, M10.
So this two you're telling.
M8, M10.
So till
Yes,
then
sir.
there is no possibilities, right?
No,
So
sir.
M0, M2, M8, M10. Cut up. So if you want, we can just make a note. So it says 0, 0, dash 0, followed by 1, 0, dash 0. So this is what your friend told. So answer for this is what? Dash 0,
0 dash
dash
0.
0. Cut up. Good. Next.
Sir, M0, M8, M2,
M8,
M10.
M2, M10.
Repeat here.
M0, M8.
M2,
M0,
M10.
M8,
M2, M10.
M2, M10. See, here only you get the answer. See, whatever the combination is here, same combination is coming here, but in disorder, that's all. So this with this, what you told, answer remains same. Is it same?
Yes,
Is it matching with the same answer, different answer?
same, sir.
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
Good. So I finished. So 0 with 1, any other possibilities? So from 0 to 1 group is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next. Group 1 to group 2. Compare and tell me. See, don't be in a hurry. Tell the answer. Analyze the thing carefully and write here. So be step by step procedure neatly follow. Yeah.
Sir, M2, M3, M6, M7.
M2, M3, M6, M7. So M2, M3 I will write here 0, 0, 1 dash, correct? Then M6, M7 is 0, 1, 1 dash. So this is what the possibility your friend told. So answer for this is
0 dash 1 dash.
dash 1 dash. Cut and drop.
Yes, sir.
So is it fine? So this is one possible. Next. Next. Check out. One by one you check out.
M2, M6, M3, M7.
M2, M6, M3, M7. Already told you right how to link. See, in this only it will be the answer. I think answer is same. Sarinappa. Any other possibilities left out now? From group 3 to we made to group 2 and group 2 to group 1. Just check out any other possibilities are left out. Any other possibilities are left out? Just verify. You can verify here itself. So if I say M8, M12 with this, here same change is there, but here everything is changed. So I hope all possibilities are done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the only things we can get here, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So from this I can conclude. So what is the answer for this now?
V bar, D bar,
B bar, D bar, and one more.
A bar, C.
A bar.
C. Good. So now what is your task now? What is your step 5?
Verification.
Perform a prime
Perform.
implicant table.
Yes, sir.
Prime
Prime implicant table. Okay. So answers I'll write here. So prime implicant table, your next step 5. So here I'll write B bar, D bar, then A bar, C is what you got. So the minterms corresponding. So it was 0, 2, 8 and 10. And here it is 2, 3, 6, 7. Sarinappa? Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So here what you should do now, you need to fill the question what was given for you in the table. So fill that and make a table now. So this is your midterms. So question was 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, then 10, 12 and 13. So this was the given question. Agree? So just make a table of this. So it will be easy for you while doing crossing of this. Okay. So now where I should put cross mark at 0, 2,
2,
8,
8,
and 10.
10.
What about here? 2, 3,
2, 3, 6, 7.
7. So now check out how many columns you have. Only single. You have this, right?
0,
this,
3, 6,
this,
7,
this,
8, 10.
this, correct? So you have only two possibilities now. One is this equation, one is this equation. So it means there is no essential prime implicant from this problem. Am I clear? So you should conclude the question, answer with what? With the expression B bar D bar plus A bar C. Any doubts? Anyone?
No, sir.
Is it fine, everyone? Am I clear, everyone? You got the logic now how to solve the problems?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that completes your Quinn-McCluskey normal method. So I will give few problems for your assignment. So I hope till Monday you don't have any digital class. So 2 days time you have. So along with the earlier topics and today's topic, question will be given. Try to solve it from the beginning. So one last problem, that is your Quinn-McCluskey with respect to don't care, that we will solve in the next class. Okay. So any doubts anyone till here?
No, sir.
So I hope I am clear with the steps, what I am teaching here. Any difficulties you are facing means you can express here itself. So anybody want me to do the things again or slow it down, I will do it. Not an issue. Anyone?
Sir, how
No,
to
sir.
write answer for this?
Out answer is final. Therefore, y is equals to b bar d bar plus a bar c. How I wrote earlier, no, same way. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So after this, just write expression y equals a bar b bar, sorry, d bar b bar d bar plus a bar c is the answer. So this you can conclude. If they ask you to write a logic diagram for this, you can plot a logic diagram also. Okay, na? Okay, fine. Yeah. USA number 101,
Yes, sir.
102,
Yes, sir.
3. 103 is not there. 4. Here Ranjan R 104. Ranjan. Today is your first class man. Where are you? Ranjan, is it audible?
Hello.
Fine. Audible Ranjan?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Sir,
yellow
ನಂದು
question?
ಸರ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Inform ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ?
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಇವರು ನಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್.
Inform ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Okay pa. Regular ಆಗಿ ಬಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಸರ್.
5.
Present, sir.
6. Rita, not there. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9. Vaishnavi, not there. 10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
Sanjay Goda, 12 is not there.
Present, sir.
Okay. 13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19. 20.
Present, sir.
21. Yeah, what about this Sneha? 121.
Present, sir.
You are logging with guest ID, Napa? 121. She is not there, Sneha M. Okay, 22,
Present, sir.
23. Srihari. 24,
Present, sir.
25,
Yes, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27. Supriya. 28, 29,
Present, sir.
30, 31. 31 is not there. 32. Vaibhav. 33. Vaishnavi not there. 34. 134. 35. 36. 37.
Present, sir.
38. 39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42.
Present, sir.
43.
Present, sir.
Then 17 telecom 330 is there? No. So telecom 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present,
5.
sir.
Okay.
Present, sir.
So see you next class. So just try to solve the problem what I'm going to share. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the next class. Okay. So bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Enter your user number and leave.